All right, guys. So, it's a 2018 Honda. All right, we're finna be changing the cabin filter. We got the special guest today, Miguel Rivas, in the building. Just got done washing this thing.
All right. Let them fools tax your ass. Trying to change this shit.
He's actually gonna change it.
Easy as fuck. Just push this bitch down. This little clip. Just go straight down. Then you squeeze, like you're squeezing your ass cheeks. Let it, whatever's in there, let it come out. Come in there. Probably need some light. You ain't gonna be able to see.
So you can see it right there.
There's some light in there. Down there. See that? It says a flow, airflow. Some shit like that. That clip over there. You got a clip over there in the corner. You just squeeze them just like the ass cheeks. Same way.
Ass cheeks. Damn. Alright, we got it out, guys.
You see that? There it is. Dirty ass shit. Look at my drawers on a hot sunny day. Stained as fuck. Pull it out with one hand. Look at that.
Dang, see, guys, that's what you're breathing in. That dirty ass shit right there.
You know what the fuck? Probably got the virus in this motherfucker.
That's the cure.
That's the part of the cure shit. I don't know. Last year's filter looked like before the damn. The new one. Don't make this. Don't look any cleaner, but shit. It's new.
That shit looks dirtier.
It's dirtier than the goddamn one.
It's new.
Oh shit. But it's new. Yeah, fuck it. It'll work. Nah, all you gotta do is just slip this bitch back in there. Same way you took off the other one. Repeat. Put it in there. Get up in there. Make sure it settles in right. Oh, okay. Yeah, you got some arrow right there. Directional arrow. Same way. Goofy ass. Set in there. Big flash. Put back. Reverse process. What you just did. Make sure these clips clip in. That shit falling out. There it is. Next step, just close it. Make sure you put your hook back on. It ain't that much, barrel. That's it. It'll snap in. Close it. You're done.
That's how you do it.
You do it. Don't let these fools text your ass.